Picture Windows installation in Salt Lake City offers a stunning view of the beautiful Utah landscape. These large, unobstructed windows are perfect for homeowners looking to bring the outdoors inside. With custom window designs, you can choose the perfect style to complement your home's architecture. Picture Windows Salt Lake City are a popular choice for those seeking to enhance their living space with natural light and breathtaking views. Energy-efficient windows Utah are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Double-pane windows Utah are a great option for those looking to increase energy savings. Insulated glass Salt Lake City provides an additional layer of protection against the elements, ensuring your home remains energy efficient year-round. Custom Picture Windows Salt Lake City offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. With a variety of window style options available, you can create a look that is truly your own. Window design consultation services in Salt Lake City can help you select the perfect windows to match your home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer traditional or modern designs, custom window solutions are available to meet your needs. Window replacement Salt Lake City is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Over time, windows can become worn and less effective at insulating your home. Residential Windows Salt Lake City and Commercial Windows Salt Lake City services provide expert installation and replacement to ensure your windows are functioning optimally. Window replacement services can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Window replacement Salt Lake City is essential for addressing any issues with your windows promptly. Window replacement experts in Salt Lake City can fix problems such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. Regular window maintenance Salt Lake City can prevent costly replacements and extend the lifespan of your windows. Window cleaning Salt Lake City services are also available to keep your windows looking their best. Window installation cost Utah can vary depending on the type and size of windows you choose. It's important to consider the long-term benefits of energy-efficient windows when evaluating the cost. Durable windows Salt Lake City are an investment in your home's future, offering increased security and reduced maintenance needs. Window durability features ensure that your windows will withstand the test of time and the harsh Utah climate. Window noise reduction is a key consideration for homeowners in busy areas. Noise-reducing windows Salt Lake City can significantly decrease the amount of outside noise that enters your home, creating a more peaceful environment. Window UV protection is another important feature, as it helps to prevent fading of your interior furnishings. UV protection windows Utah are designed to block harmful rays while still allowing natural light to enter your home. Secure Picture Windows Salt Lake City provide peace of mind for homeowners concerned about safety. Window security features such as reinforced glass and advanced locking mechanisms can deter potential intruders. Window hardware upgrades are available to enhance the security and functionality of your windows. Window warranty Salt Lake City options offer additional protection and peace of mind for your investment.